Hi, it's Pat here from Videopro, and today I'm excited to be getting my hands on another amazing video collaboration product from Neat called the Whiteboard Pro. This device is an all-in-one collaboration display designed for Microsoft Teams and Zoom rooms that brings simplicity, style, and intelligence together in one elegant package. It's even won a Red Dot Design Award for its clean aesthetic and user-first engineering. From the moment you unbox it, the design sets the tone. The stand assembles in minutes and the cable management is completely integrated, so your workspace always looks tidy and professional. When you enter your Teams or Zoom call, it's here you can utilize the smart camera features. For example, Neat Symmetry automatically frames each participant so everyone is clearly visible and equally represented, not just whoever's sitting closest to the camera. You can then switch to focus mode, where the camera tracks the active speaker or locks onto the presenter. And for those larger spaces, you can pair the Whiteboard Pro with the Neat Center to give you an extra perspective right from the middle of the table. Its inbuilt mics pick up voices evenly and restores natural eye contact, creating a more engaging hybrid meeting experience where required. When it comes to presenting content on the board, it couldn't be any easier. With Neat Share, you can present wirelessly from any device, no cables or dongle required. It also has a whiteboard, and the writing experience feels very natural and responsive, very close to a pen and paper feel. You can sketch, annotate over shared content, and instantly save or send notes to your team. It's fast, fluid, and intuitive. It even boasts a built-in app hub that lets you launch meetings, apps, and settings directly from the touchscreen. Everything you need is right there in one place. Behind the scenes, Neat Sense continuously monitors the room conditions, like air quality, humidity, and noise levels, helping you maintain a healthy meeting environment. And with Neat Pulse, IT teams can remotely monitor every device, push updates, and access real-time analytics from anywhere. In summary, the Whiteboard Pro is impressive. From setup to daily use, everything about it is simple, powerful, and beautifully executed. And it's easy to see why the Whiteboard Pro has won an award for their design. So, if you're looking for an all-in-one video collaboration device, make sure you reach out to us at Videopro. We'd love to show you what the Whiteboard Pro can do.